In this video, I'll be going over order of operations, specifically focusing on parentheses and brackets. So order of operations from pandas, what we're focusing on today is the P, and those are the parentheses and brackets. And below are two examples, and we're going over each one. For the first one, we have a bracket, and then 5, then parentheses, 12 minus 7, parentheses plus 8, bracket times 7. The brackets are the outer portion of the parentheses. So you always will see parentheses first before you'll see brackets. So in the first example, we see parentheses here, and then we see the brackets on the outside. So what this means is that we need to take care of here first, and then the rest after. So in this example, 12 minus 7 is 5. And then we have 5 outside plus 8. Then we have the brackets like so. Now we look at the brackets out here, and that tells us that we need to handle everything that's in here first. And everything in here we see multiplication and then addition. And according to pandas, M, multiplication goes before addition. So 5 times 5 is 25. Then we want to add 8. That would be inside the bracket. Then we multiply by 7. So 25 plus 8 is 33. Now that we complete the bracket portion, then we go on to the last operator, which is the multiplication. So we take 33 times 7 equals 231, and that's the answer. Now for the second example, we have 18 and then divide, bracket parentheses, 11 plus 9, parentheses, divide, 6 plus 4, bracket plus 12. So here, we see the brackets, then we see the parentheses, like so. That tells us that we need to first handle the parentheses in here, and then we'll work on the rest within the brackets. So 11 plus 9 is 20. Divide by 6 plus 4 is 10. Then we put them inside the bracket, and we bring the rest down. From here, 20 divided by 10 need to be prioritized because the brackets falls on the parentheses, and that's the priority. So everything here needs to be handled first. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Then we bring the rest down. Now we have 18 divided by 2 plus 12. And division goes before addition. So 18 divided by 2 goes first. Then we add 12. And here, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then we add the 12, which gives us 21. And so 21 is the answer for second example. So these are two examples of how you will handle order operations with specific attention to parentheses and brackets. Parentheses and brackets falls under the same P of PEMDAS, and they need to be handled first. Parentheses portion first, and then the bracket portion before you work on the rest of the operators. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.